When you run into the VLC is unable to open MRL file error on Windows 11, there are a couple of quick fixes you can try. First, let us attempt to run VLC as an administrator. Go to your Windows search bar and type VLC. Once VLC appears in the search results, click on the small down arrow next to it. From the options, select Run as Administrator. If this resolves the issue, you are all set. However, if running as administrator does not fix the problem, the next best step is to completely reinstall VLC. To uninstall VLC from your computer, first open the Start menu and type Settings in the search bar, then click on Settings to open it. Once the Settings window appears, select Apps from the list of options. After that, click on Installed Apps to view all the applications currently installed on your system. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find VLC. When you locate VLC, click on it and choose the Uninstall option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. To install VLC on your computer, first open your preferred web browser and search for VLC Media Player. You can download it either from the official website of Video LAN or from the Microsoft Store. Choose the option you prefer and download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps shown on the screen. After the installation finishes, try to run the application, and it should open and work properly on your system. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.